Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble templates. We'll begin by understanding what a bubble template is and its core components. Then, we'll dive into selecting the perfect template that aligns with your project's vision. Finally, we'll cover the essential initial setup and configuration steps to get your application up and running smoothly in just a few minutes. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. You can easily modify visual elements such as colors, fonts, and branding to match your unique style. We'll also explore adjusting page layouts and responsive design settings to ensure your application looks great on all devices. Plus, you'll learn to integrate custom workflows and database structures for tailored functionality. Expanding your template's capabilities is straightforward. You can implement new user authentication methods, offering secure access for your users. Connecting external APIs allows you to integrate powerful third-party services, adding enhanced capabilities. Furthermore, we'll discuss developing custom plugins to extend your template's features beyond its initial design, giving you complete control. Finally, let's get your application ready for the world. We'll cover essential steps to prepare for a successful launch, ensuring everything is polished. Optimizing performance is key for a seamless user experience, so we'll touch on best practices. And as your user base grows, understanding the various scaling options will be crucial for future growth and sustained success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.